Here I've got ID2ME ID1 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down and under device you will notice display, so just click on it to open the options and now pick lock screen. Here you've got the sources that you are able to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be gallery, Google Now Launcher, Live Wallpaper, Photos or Wallpapers. Let me pick Live Wallpaper and for example let me pick Bubbles. As you can see, this is the wallpaper that we would like to set, and if this is the one that you truly want, just click on Set Wallpaper. Okay, so let me unclick it, and as you can see, from now on, lock screen and also the home screen is changed. That's a new wallpaper of yours. So that's it. Enjoy your wallpaper and change it whenever you want or need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.